Hello guys, I hope you're doing really well. So the new scent for the month that's coming. So like I've been saying to you the last 3 times I've shown it, is initially it comes in a box like that, which is nice, it's protective. Got grease all over it. So it's the Scent Addict, the ultimate fragrance subscription by the fragrance shop, if you're wondering, if you haven't caught any of these videos yet. You're allowed to choose whichever Atomiser you want, but I chose the rose gold one just because it's classy. They are really good for travelling, so just goes in your handbag. And let's just take this out. The perfume for the first month comes here as well, and then after that I'll show you how it comes. So it's really easy to do, really easy to put in. So literally it's just twisting that up and pulling it out, which I'll show you in a minute when I refill it. Oh, that still smells really heavily of YSL Black Opium Glitter, because that's last month's perfume. If you want to know my thoughts on that, what I would do is just head over to my review on it. I will put it up here somewhere. What I don't like about this, guys, and obviously I'm going to be transparent, each month after you place the initial subscription, you don't obviously get the box that it came in initially. It would cost the company too much. They put it in a little Jiffy bag like this, and you know, anything could happen to the perfume. So I'll show you what you get. So it says the fragrance shop here. I've never really looked at these, to be honest. Oh, it comes from Manchester. I don't really want to show you the address that it was shipped to. And then it tells you what you've ordered there. We don't really need to go into that too much because I'm going to show you. So I was a bit worried. I didn't know whether I was going to even like this perfume. But Lancome do some really nice perfumes, and I really like the bottle that this one came in. Obviously, I haven't got that particular bottle, but it's called Lancome. I don't think you can see it. Lancome La Vie Belle Elixir. So it looks like that. It's a really nice, pretty pink one. So when you first spray it, it's very strong, and then when the scent settles down, it's just really pretty, really nice feminine spray. I'll be talking more about that in the review at the end of the month. So let me show you how easy it is to refill it. So that's one we used last time. So I'm going to put that now in my perfume empties. What my plan is with these perfumes is to buy at least 12 months. It's £12 a month. And then at the end of those 12 months, we'll do a ranking. So I'll tell you what I liked and what I didn't like and why, kind of thing. So, yeah, that's going in now. So I'm not going to spray it yet. I don't want to put any body mist or perfume on, because I have actually got this perfume on today. It's a dupe for the Amoy by Casuel. I'll leave that there, what it's a dupe for. It's really nice. I think this one's 100 mils. You get a lot there. And I'm also, this is Project Pan. There's a lot there. So this is the Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande, and you get 236 mils in that. So I haven't really used a lot so far of this. I think it's just here. So yeah, that's what we're using for Project Pan. And also whatever perfume comes each month, we use them together in conjunction with one another. So for now, I'll stop using the Amoy and use the Lancome La Vie Belle Elixir. So I don't know what else to say at this point, because obviously I've used it once. I actually let my mum spray it as well, and she really likes it. So that's something that I could consider getting for in the future. But then today when I went round, she said that she was itchy on her wrist, but I don't really see how that could be perfume. If it was down to the perfume, then surely she would be itchy on both of them if she had an allergic reaction, right? So I don't know what's going on there, but then that might mean I can't buy her that particular perfume. She normally doesn't have reactions to perfume, but this one, so far, I'm liking it. So far, this is the only one that I've really liked. The other two, I was kind of like, yeah, they're okay. The YSL Black Opium Glitter, I didn't like it as much as I thought I would. I've already said I wouldn't repurchase the full size. Anyway, this is going on the side. So where all my Project Pan products are, I put it up there, and then I just spray it every time I want it. This is the kind of perfume, guys. It is so strong. I put it down to it being an elixir. I don't even know what an elixir perfume is. I'll need to Google that and put it somewhere around here. So it's so strong because of that reason. It literally lasts all day. You literally just need one spray to do that, and then that, and that. And that's all you need. But it's probably going to last me more than a month. If that's the case, and the perfume that's coming next month, I'm really, really looking forward to that one. The perfume that comes in, it'll come at the end of July, then I won't be able to use it until I've used this one fully. So I hope you like these videos. I'm really enjoying doing them just because it's something different for the channel. And then obviously the reviews, I'm really enjoying talking to you about the notes of the perfume and things like that, and seeing whether you've got them in your collection or whether you've had it before, and hearing your thoughts on it as well. So let me know, guys, if you've heard of this perfume. I'm not too sure if it's a newer one out by Lancome, but let me know if you've ever had it before. Lancome La Vie Belle Elixir. So it's not Lancome La Vie Belle, because that one's been out for a while, but this one is the elixir, so it's stronger, I presume. I'm only thinking outside the box. I'm thinking it must be stronger than the original. So guys, thank you so much for watching. It's only a short video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.